going to the planet. It's going to the closest moon, because if we sent it to Uranus, first of all, it's way too cold for machinery there. It's like, coldest is like negative 365 Fahrenheit, and there isn't a surface. So this is going to the closest moon, Uranus, that's 27. But we're going to Cordelia, and Cordelia is a super tiny moon. And this is a drill. The Cordelia has ice below the crust, and my rover is going to run on water. So this drill will go beneath the surface, and the tip sucks the ice up into the engine, which is right here. And the engine has a compartment that heats up the water, or the ice, until it's water, and then that powers the engine, which powers the entire rover. This is the probe. This box will shoot the probe into Uranus. The probe it will collect data about like the temperature, the stuff that's in the air, and all the stuff. And then this is connected to this antenna, and the probe is connected to this antenna, which sends everything back to Earth. And then the camera, obviously, is to take pictures of the actual planet. I don't know exactly how far it is from the atmosphere, but I don't remember how far it is. It only says how far it is from the core, because they can't really measure that. But this may not be. They don't know very much about Uranus. It took the Voyager 2 9 years to get from Earth to Uranus, but I'm not sure if it stopped at other planets. And then the last thing is the treads. Treads obviously move the rover around and help the camera get different shots.
Sorry, the last piece I missed was the treads. Can you speak to that?
They just move the rover around and get the camera different shots.
Okay, questions, go. Or comments, or compliments.
Naya?
I forgot. How much moons does?
How many?
How many moons does?
27. And I probably couldn't name all of them, but they're all from Shakespeare plays.
So which moon?
Cordelia, which is the closest one. Yeah.
What gases are on Uranus?
There's hydrogen, helium, and then it's mostly just ice. And technically, it's not frozen water; it's ammonia.
And is there any carbon?
Okay, so yeah, there isn't. It's just mostly hydrogen, and then it's this one.
So since Uranus, okay, since Uranus has the ammonia water-ish stuff things, is it called a gas giant, or is it
Ice giant.
That's a good question.
There's no.
But is it really ice?
It's not water, but there's a certain temperature, and anything that melts at anything below the certain temperature counts as ice.
I
it's
see.
not-
So it's like a gooey liquid cold,
Yeah.
right? So you know what it makes me think of, Liv? Sorry, I know it's so odd. It makes me think of You know those ice packs you guys get
Yeah.
from the nurse, which is like this weird gel?
Yeah.
It's kind of like a liquid,
Yeah.
right? So think of it like that, but really cold and made of ammonia or helium or whatever. I'm guessing it's mostly ammonia because that's what I got from that video. Okay.
But there is there's nothing, basically nothing on Uranus except for core, and then around the core there's ammonia, and it's not technically a sea. It just like gets it slowly turns like into basically ice. Hunter?
Is it possible for Uranus to get out of the negatives?
I don't think it's possible because it's like the sun is so far away. That Uranus is mostly like the weather and all of it is mostly from the core, not from the sun.